You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding how dogs drink water. The secret is in their tongue. Let's dive into the science together. When a dog drinks, its tongue doesn't just scoop water like a spoon. Instead, the tongue curls backward, forming a mini ladle. As the dog plunges its tongue into the water, it quickly pulls it back up, fast. This motion creates a column of water which the dog snaps up before gravity pulls it down. In slow motion, you can see droplets flying and the dog's focus locked in. It's all about timing and physics, no slurping like us humans. Next time you watch your pup drink, remember, there's a whole world of wonder in every splash.